It's a present?
Yeah, it's a present. Good. And let's see. Let's look. Everyone, look. Look inside. What is it?
Oh, it's a teddy bear.
It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes, and one of you is going to take the present. Okay? And we'll call this Santa's bag. We're going to steal the present from Santa's bag. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Go. And then once you take the present, you hide it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's sing. Who took the present from Santa's bag? Alice took the present from Santa's bag. Did you take the present?
No.
Not me.
Not me.
Then who?
Who took the present from Santa's bag?
Olivia took the present from Santa's bag.
Yes, I took the present from Santa's bag.
Ah, naughty, naughty Olivia, naughty. Okay, good. Now, Olivia, you close your eyes. No peeking, no peeking. Okay, ready, Olivia? Look. Oh! Let me put your glasses on first.
No, Daddy. Where's the present?
Where's the present? Okay, ready?
Who took the present from Santa's bag? Alice took the present from Santa's bag.
This is who, me?
Me? Yes, I took the present from Santa's bag.
bag. Oh, naughty, naughty, naughty. So there you go, a variation on who took the cookie from the cookie jar. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!